actually, when you get good at trading, it's really boring because it's just the same shit over and over again every day.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started.
Good morning. It's September 3, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. European stocks trade higher while US futures are mixed, led by Nasdaq strength on Google's 5.7% pre-market jump after a favorable antitrust ruling. The dollar's early gains faded ahead of jolts, and Treasury yields have reversed lower. Crude weakens on OPEC Plus hike reports, while gold holds firm near $3,550 per ounce. Focus now shifts to US data, durable goods, jolts, the NBP decision, Fed Beige Book, and remarks from BOE and Fed officials. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now, let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is we're just going to analyze from two perspectives, from a scalping perspective and from a support and resistance perspective. I got a few comments from folks. They were a little overwhelmed with the 7 different ways you can analyze it, which I get. We'll just roll with whatever people want. So this is what they apparently want, so I'm going to do it. All right, so here we go. Very short term, scalping. Let's go through the currency pairs here. Aussie US dollar had a signal fire about 3 in the morning here, and it was successful. It climbed about 3/4 of the way to the profit target, then pulled back and was stopped out at the trailing stop, but that's still a win. This one, US CAD, this is last Friday, so this one is basically in a squeeze right now. So we got to wait and see for price to pop out of the squeeze on that one. This one here, USD Chief, had a signal fire off at 3 in the morning last evening, and that one looks like it got 3/4 of the way to the profit target and was probably stopped out with the trailing stop for a profit. And then last but not least, pound dollar. Everything seems, something must have happened at 3 a.m. because everybody got all excited at that time of night. Pound dollar, same situation. They also fired off a signal at 3. Not sure if this made it all the way to profit target, but if it didn't, it definitely got stopped out by the trailing stop. So
yeah, that's some numbers at 3, at least on mine.
that makes sense if that's the case. All right, now let's move on to support and resistance. Here we go. Same 4 pairs. Starting with the Aussie US dollar, this bounced off of a support area way back here. These little triangles are volume spikes, just so you get an idea.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
where the most volume is at. I'm also using the volume candles that come with the premium version of TradingView, which are actually nice. If there's a lot of volume in any particular time frame, when the candle is really fat like this, like a little chubby candle, that means there's a lot of volume. I modified my support resistance indicator to also create an alert for me when volume is climbing as well. It's a very useful tool to navigate when to maybe get in or get out of stuff. So if you see right here, there was a lot of volume that pushed down to a support level and then a lot of volume pushing away from it. So this would have been a great place to go long with all kinds of volume confirmation. US Canadian dollar is doing absolutely nothing. It's going sideways. It's in between the pieces of bread on the sandwich. So there's really nothing to do here. We do have, I looked at the news, we're supposed to get a JOLTS job number at 9. I'm guessing that is what will jolt everything free. Huh? But right now, everything's just going sideways. US Chiefs, same story. There's a little bit of volume here. But other than that, nothing's happening. It's right in the middle of support and resistance. Had I been awake at 4 in the morning, this would have been a nice little trade. So you had accelerated volume going into support, and then you've got volume moving away from support stage. If you had gone long here, there's a little bit of movement to the upside to make some money there, but right now it seems to have gone back to sleep. That is that. What do you think of the new format?
Works pretty well. Simplifies some things. Hopefully it won't confuse any of the folks.
I love it to be super complicated, but actually when you get good at trading, it's really boring because it's just the same shit over and over again every day. And then you just got to wait. Like right now, it's in a lull. It's got to wait till it comes out of the lull so you can trade again. And a lot of people get ants in their pants and start making stuff up that they see, and then they lose all their money. So that's a bad plan. That's all I got for today.